wa Mafi muskila. Anyway guys, we have to do this video with our jackets and all our heavy stuff because it's raining and it's cold. Sawa. So today, this is what we're doing. So today guys, we'll be making a SCOBY. A SCOBY is the mother of kombucha. Before you have your kombucha, you have to first make your SCOBY, and this is how you're gonna make it at home from scratch. So what is a SCOBY? A SCOBY is an ingredient used in the fermentation and production of kombucha. First thing, you need to have your black tea. I usually use kericho gold, and also you need to have kombucha that is unflavored. So the original kombucha from the store, you find it. I am using Mama Kombucha. There's so many. There's Bush in the supermarket. Yeah. And also you need to have this jar here. You need to have a jar that has been sterilized. So these are the first three things you need to have. Guys, I forgot to show you something. I forgot to show you also very good, another important ingredient, that's sugar. You need it. You need lots of sugar. So grabbing your sufuria, it has to be very clean. Take out your kericho gold, your black tea, put it inside the sufuria. I usually remove this part because I don't know, it has metal here and I don't know. I just remove it just because. I normally put like 10 to 15. Depends on how much conch you want your kombucha. So some people can put only 5, some people can only put 20, you know, just depending on how strong you like it. We are done putting all the green teas in the sufuria. The next step will be boiling it for 10 minutes. Has it? Where? Did it go? So I had already pre-boiled my water. I'm just gonna let it boil again, but it shouldn't matter. So just boil it for 10 minutes. It doesn't matter how you did it. Napika mboga gani? Mama kasema leti naunda nishe bebe. Guys, can you guys see? Can you see how pretty this looks? This is what makes a farmer like really happy, because you plant, they grow well, you get to harvest, you get to enjoy them. You guys didn't tell me that sunflowers usually have like a good smell. Like they smell so good. You guys, you guys, what is Bill doing? Babe, what is the family hapo? Wote ujinga. Kuja ukule mshebebe. Look at him there. Now we have to really make sure that our jar is very clean. You don't want your SCOBY to grow in a very dirty place. Yeah, you have to sterilize this, and what I usually do, I've put vinegar and warm water in here, and then I'm gonna toss it, wash it, and then also put more hot water in it to sit for like 5 minutes before I use this, right? This is a very important step to make sure that your things are sterilized, okay? a healthy SCOBY. Babe, nhớ quay đang shy. Nhớ quay đang shy. Yeah. Oh my god, you want tea? So this is how you sterilize it. Make sure imekaa hapa for like 10 minutes ikiwa hivyo, ili toa hizo germs zote, anything that's remaining in there it will be removed. Yeah, so yeah, 10 minutes are done. Let's get our green. It's a green tea. Let's get our black tea. Ooh la la! Look at that, it's so black. Crazy. It's already boiled. We're gonna let it sit and cool down before putting it into the jar. So let's wait for another 30 minutes.
She was head of CU, and I would want to say she she prophesied. She came, she told me, women in Jackie. And that's how Jackie celeb grew around school, and that's how now
Oh, kama ya ugali. I miss it.
My number. Call me once you're done. Shafi and Kaliche. And that's when I was called. So when I was called, I was told, hi, please come to, and then at that time particular.
So let's remove all these tea bags that were left inside. We removed all the other tea bags that were inside. Now let's put our sugar. I'm gonna put 2 of these full cups. 1, 2. Make sure you mix it really well. So the reason why we're putting sugar, basically the SCOBY is going to feed it off of the sugar that you're putting. It's the primary fuel of the SCOBY. So let's pour it in. Very nice, smells amazing, smells delicious. That should be enough for now. Just gonna put that much and it should be good. Okay. Now we have our kombucha. Let's add it into the mixture. That is full. Wow, crazy. Now let's stir it. Clean wiko because I don't have anything else. So perfect. Now we're done. Let's seal this, then wait for 2 to 3 weeks and your SCOBY will be growing. So I'm gonna take you guys step by step after growing your SCOBY, what you're supposed to do next, how you're supposed to, you know, preserve this. Of course, room temperature. Don't put it in the fridge or in a very hot area. Just room temperature will be okay. And then we'll see from there. And that's how you make your SCOBY from scratch at home. Done. That's it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching and tuning in. I am so grateful for you all. Always make sure to subscribe and see you guys next time. So, cheers. Mwah.